Hello everyone, welcome back to BlacX Studio. We are back again with a very interesting AI feature, so stay tuned to watch that. Grammarly has announced a new writing assistant feature, Grammarly Go, which will incorporate artificial intelligence to enhance its services. Similar to the controversial ChatGPT, Grammarly Go will offer writers the ability to use AI to rewrite their work and improve its quality. The latest addition to the San Francisco-based company platform is equipped with a range of features. Grammarly Go includes customized voice option to read text aloud and uses AI technology to facilitate idea brainstorming session with users. Grammarly Go will enable customer to save their time, enhance its creativity and get more done, said by Grammarly in an official blog post. From April, the beta version of Grammarly Go will be made available to the Grammarly Premium, business and educational customer. Additionally, the users of the free version in US, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Germany, Poland and Ukraine will have the access to the feature before other regions. Grammarly Go is designed to function seamlessly with the Grammarly compatible email thread and long form documents. The new feature will be capable of generating quick replies based on the context of receiving emails and producing content based on a short prompts. AI-powered tools such as Grammarly Go and ChatGPT have become a subject of debate among the content writers, researchers, and other members of writing community who fear these tools could potentially replace their roles. However, developers are embracing their service to increase productivity and reduce workload. Well, according to the report of tech experts, AI services such as Grammarly Go and ChatGPT could potentially fuel cybercrime activities. Criminals may use them to write, comprehend, and respond in real time across multiple languages. Despite concern among the tech and writing community, Grammarly is planning to introduce its 50 million users to generative AI. The platform claims to have prioritized high security standards to make its feature appealing for use by multinational companies. That's all for today. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.